Want to create a work style map animation in CapCut? In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step. First, import the map you want to use into the timeline. Then hold Alt and drag the map layer upward to create a duplicate. Select the top layer, go to remove background and choose custom removal. If you are using the free version of CapCut, select the free brush and highlight the areas you want to highlight. Zoom in for better accuracy, especially for professional projects. For more tutorials, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.